friend, this is my sister,
Beth,
and we are the Twin Chefs.
In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to make injera. Injera is a very known Ethiopian and Eritrean sourdough.
It's very easy and super good with everything.
So let's get started. And also, this recipe that we're showing you guys, this recipe is super easy. So anyone who wants to just follow the steps, and anyone can make it.
And please follow this whole recipe. So what we have here is 7 cups of Teff flour and 1.5 cups of barley flour. If you don't want barley, it's okay. You could just leave it out of the recipe. You could just only use Teff flour.
And you guys are going to need 1.5 cup of sourdough starter, and you're going to need some water,
and you're also going to need about a little bit of carbonated water. So the starter is like something. So it's just a little bit of leftover from your last time you made injera. But if you don't have any leftover, you can always use a little bit of yeast.
And in our future video, we can show you how to make starter.
And also, you're gonna need a frying pan.
Okay. So first off, we are going to put
a little bit of our.
So we put our sourdough starter, and I'm going to mix it with my hand. And we're just going to put a little water in there. I'm just going to mix it, and I'm just going to take it out. And then we're going to put our water gradually. It's about how much ingredients you have. It's how much you need the dough. You need to need the injera dough for about 5 to 6 minutes in order to have a good injera. So all I want you guys to do is knead the injera dough very well. As you can see, I'm kneading the dough very, very well, and you should do that too, so you have a very, very good injera. It's very smooth and soft. I'm just going to add a little bit more water. My sister's going to need more. And then I'm just going to do this. So, as you can see, it's starting to get very soft. So if it's very soft for you, that means you're doing a great job in kneading it, and keep doing it. So we're gonna still add our water gradually. I'm just gonna mix like this. As you can see, our injera batter looks like this. We mixed it very well, and we're done. We added some water on top, so now we're going to put it in our container,
and we're going to make it. Make it wait for about 3 days.
And you just put water on top, and then you wait for 3 days, and after 3 days you drain the water, and then you make our injera.
So also, just a little reminder, when you put it in the container, and you also have to put 2 cups of water, but don't mix it. You just make it stay. But when it's done, you can drain it.
It has been 3 days. We're just going to drain the water in this very carefully. The water that you drain, you just throw it away. And now we're going to put it in a container to make our injera. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a little bit of it, and we're going to pour it in. And then we're going to add a little bit of our carbonated water. Now we're going to put our carbonated water. You could put the desire you want, thick or thin. We're just going to put like a little bit, but you guys put a lot or a little bit. And you're going to mix it up in a spoon. Now it's already mixed and it looks like this. So now what you need to do is go to your frying pan and heat it up for about 305 degrees Fahrenheit. And now we're going to make our injera. As you can see, the eyes are coming and it's ready. And now I'm going to close the lid until it's ready. Now the injera is ready, and I'm going to take it out now. And now it looks like this, and I'm going to take it out. As you can see, our injera is ready, and it looks like this.
It looks pretty good. And the 2 most important things you need to do to make this wonderful injera is 1, knead it very well, and 2, have carbonated water. So, Ethiopians and Eritreans, this is a very known Ethiopian and Eritrean food. You eat it with any wet, or you could eat me and Beatty we like to eat it with some salt. So we're just gonna,
I'm going to.
And we sometimes, for like a little snack, we just like to sprinkle a little bit of salt and eat it. So we're just going to do this, and then we just fold it, and then we fold and eat. The injera is very soft and yummy. Anytime we want to make more injera, we take it out from the fridge, drain the water,
And then we put some carbonated water and we cook the injera.
so don't forget to subscribe and share with all your friends and family.
And don't forget to turn on the notification bell below so you don't miss any of our videos.
Bye!